Welcome to Cooking with Hilda. Today we are making something very special for you to celebrate Valentine's Day with your loved ones. As you already saw, we are making this beautiful meringue nest that are dairy-free, gluten-free. Well, however, the one we made today has whipped cream in the middle, so it's not dairy-free. So if you prefer a dairy-free, substitute the filling with whatever you choose. Before we start to make this beautiful meringue nest, we have to talk a little bit about meringue. The meringue we are gonna use today is a French meringue, and it's the one that we don't need to cook with a very hot syrup because we're gonna bake the nest. And they're gonna be totally cooked into the moment of serving. So we start making this French meringue by beating the egg whites until the point they're foamy, and then we add the cream of tartar.
When we're hurting, I'll be the one that you.
And you beat until they are a little bit more stiff, and now you start adding the sugar. Low and slow, because the secret of a very good fluffy, marshmallowy French meringue is the time you take to slowly add the sugar. And then we add the vanilla.
Even on the worst days, even on the best ones.
Now we make our beautiful nest, and we do that by lining up a baking sheet with parchment paper, and we form the nest. I like to start with a flower and then build a little bit wall around the flower, a little bit wall that grows up like these ones.
Over and over again, you'll be mine. Over and over again, I'll choose you every time. We will be.
And now we bake or dry the meringues in a preheated oven of 200 degrees for around 2 hours.
One look is all it took for me to get a little closer, babe. One kiss is all you.
Now I happen to have some homemade raspberry jam, and I put a little bit in the middle, and then I cover it with whipped cream and decorate with fruit. But I want to remind you that you can use chocolate, you can use candy. This is the time for use your beautiful imagination.
Eyes wide open. To me, this is heaven. I don't need a lot of anything if I have your love. No money, no fancy things could replace all the hurting, the loving, and all that's in between. If I have you, my love, I don't need anything. I don't need anything. One word is all I heard for me to say it right back to you. One feeling kept me dreaming of all we could do. Eyes wide open. To me, this is heaven. I don't need a lot of anything.
Thank you guys for being one more time here with me in Cooking with Hilda. I wish you all a wonderful Valentine's Day, sharing love with your loved ones. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. See you guys next time.
If I